Hi, this is the Flarow app. This is the resident view of the app, and right now we are on the dashboard screen. Here you will be shown what is the maintenance dues that you have and what are the utility dues that you have. So you can just tap on this pay button and it will show you all the bills that is pending from your end. So you can choose either to pay the utility bill or you can just select the maintenance bill and just go ahead. So you make a payment here. So all payment methods and modes are supported as of today, be it a card, credit card, debit card, net banking. You have all the leading banks. If you have a wallet, be it Freecharge, PayZapp, Ola Money, whatever, you have it. And with the latest inclusion of UPI, Google Pay, Tez, Phone Pay, what Paytm, everything is available. So I'm not making a payment. So once you've made the payment, you can just go ahead into transaction history and check. So I'll just check one of the old payments that is there. So if you have made the payment, say you have made a payment of 100 rupees, you just go ahead and tap on this invoice button. So this will generate the invoice for the bill that you have just paid. So no need to have those handwritten receipts. So this is a PDF that got generated. So you can see that yes, you have paid this 100 rupees as part of your utility charges, and all the details are mentioned over here. So this is a dashboard. In case you have already made the payment via cash or check or NEFT, you just go ahead and tap on this already paid button. So you see that your bills are due for the following months and the maintenance also. So you just go ahead and say you want to pay the bills for the utility. So you go ahead and say that you know what, you have made a check payment, or you made a cash payment, or you made a bank transfer. So in case of check and bank transfer, you have the reference ID where you need to enter the reference ID along with the amount that you have paid for. Say you have paid 200 rupees via check. So you go ahead and write the check number maybe. So this will send a request to the admin or your society management, who needs to approve that yes, he has received the amount stated by you. So that's all from the dashboard or the payment part of it. Once it is approved, you can go ahead and you'll be getting a notification over here. You can see that the amount of 200 rupees in check is in pending status. So once it's approved, you can go ahead and check over here. You will be seeing it is approved, and you can go ahead and download your invoice. So apart from this, there is this my flat where you can update your flat details. Just tap on update. You can update your rent, your deposit, your parking. And there you have the flat section where you can see your neighbors, which flat is occupied, which flat is vacant, if the current resident is an owner or the current resident is a tenant. In case it's a tenant, you can see who are the tenants. Then you have the tickets. So in case you have any maintenance issues in your flat, you can just go ahead and raise a ticket. There are loads of categories out here. Say I go ahead and decide that there's some problem with my plumbing. So I go ahead and put out kitchen sink is leaking. So once I tap on this create button, this creates a ticket and it's directly getting assigned to a facility manager. So you can see there is a it's in pending status. So once you've decided, you know what, this is fixed, you can just go ahead and close the ticket. So you can see in your completed status, this is fixed tap leakage. If you feel, this needs to be reopened and has not been fixed properly, you can just go ahead and click on reopen. So it comes back again to this open page. Next we have the notice board. Right now all the notices must be pasted in lifts or in notice board or in common public areas where it will be easily visible to everybody, but no need of that going forward. The society management can just create a notice and all of you will be getting a push notification. You can see it right into your app. So you can see what the details about it. Next we have the forum. So you have all your society related discussions can happen over here. Anybody can create a post in this forum. So you can have your categories. So decide to have tuitions. You just go ahead and type that you need a tuition. Maths, and you just consent. So everybody can see your post, class 12 tuition for maths. So you have this hashtag feature where you as a user can search for posts which are related to tuitions. So you can go ahead and if somebody can comment on this, and you can go ahead and show your appreciation for the post by clicking on this appreciate button. So this is our society forum feature. So that's all that you have from the resident view, be it an owner or tenant. Thank you.